next project is home appliance using TV remote control. This is the Arduino board, USB port, 12-point jack pin. This is the capacitor, crystal, microcontroller, analog pin, 6 analog pin, 13 digital pin. This is the push button, this is the voltage regulator, and this is bridge rectifier, and this is the IR sensor. This is the IR sensor. This is the relay board, 5-volt DC relay. This is the bulb holder, and this is the TV remote. The whole concept is when we press the switch, its signal transmit to the sensor, then it goes to microcontroller, then microcontroller send a signal to relay, then the relay is going to on and off. The whole concept is we can operate our home appliance using TV remote from long distance. So let's on the project. Here also we use 12-volt 1 ampere DC adapter. Let's on the project. This is the TV remote. When we push the power button, light is on. As well as when I press the power button, it is going to off. Similarly, on, off, on, off, on, off. Here it's relay on, relay off, relay on, relay off. Here is the signal, transmit signal. This is used for 5-meter distance. This remote is used for 5-meter distance. We can operate the home appliance from long distance 5 kilometers. Minimum range is 5 kilometers. That's it. Thank you.